Yo, 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 what's good, Brody, broski, my bro, my slime, my dog. Here is the recap for today. Here is the trade for today made around. So, on this actual trade, I believe it was like 190, but I took some random stuff right here and I lost like 100 or slightly around 80. So, it was only $100 on this trade. And I did take it lighter because I did lose in these ones. So, just overall, pretty much like I don't want to say break even because it's still $100, but not much, but still better than a loss or nothing. I'm not logged in right now, but my eval is at 51.889, I think. Yeah. And this is the trade that I wanted to take in the morning. Literally this inversion right here. It would be either like to these highs or to this high. Yeah, I think I wanted to take it at this high, or just London highs, and then Asia didn't get taken, but I think it got taken, yeah. But like realistically, I probably either this high or the London highs. And let's see how much would this be if I was just like regular 3 micros. What would that be? 500 bucks. I mean, yeah, $500 for this one. I probably would have trimmed one right here, one right there, and then probably one right there left a runner or something. But yeah, this is the trade that I should have taken. Let's look at the trade that I did actually take and why I took it. So we were holding bullish. Well, like not really. We did break structure right here, and then we had this 15-minute fair value gap right here, which we were also holding for a while, and then we just didn't break it. We just didn't ever break it. We did break structure to the upside, and then we kind of still had highs above, but we also had this 1 hour, I believe. Dang, bro, I just marked these pre-market, and then all of these get hit. And then what I ended up taking was we break structure on the 5 minute, also inverse a fair value gap right here. Wait, yeah, fair value gap right here. Break of structure with this move right here, with this candle, and I believe I took a 1 minute pullback. Yeah, 1 minute pullback, and the stop was below all of these 2 minute and one, like 2 to 5 minute fair value gaps. Yeah, right here. And my take profit was at this high because it was also in the fair value gap. And yeah, so my original one was right here, and then like my final one would have been right here. And what I ended up doing was as soon as what did I do? Yeah, as soon as price crossed right here, I moved my stop to this line right here, and I believe, wait, what? Because I remember I got, oh no, 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 oh yeah. So as soon as it crossed right here, I moved my stop right here. Then it started moving higher, and then I put my stop right here, and I believe it tapped my stop first, and then went up there. So it's pretty much exactly this trade. Made around $100 on it. Well, technically 200, like 195, I think. Not much, like just in general, but I did take a lighter because I did lose in the previous trades. And honestly, bro, I've been like a bit scared to lose money. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Since I'm up 1.9k on my eval, I've been taking a lot lighter trades, and I feel like I'm a lot scared. I go break even a lot earlier. And to be honest, though, to be honest, with this trade, I I had pretty good psychology, bro. Like with this move, we tapped into the 5 minute fair value gap, and then also the 1 minute order block. Let me actually just replay it. We tapped into this 1 minute order block, and it was also a 5 minute gap as well. So much stuff on the screen, bro. And I was kind of confident. Then they started moving. Then this inverse, this fair value gap, and then once they respected this one, I was a bit scared, but obviously emotions, you're up on a trade. What really helps me is turning off money when you're in a trade. So I literally untick this, and it pretty much like when you're in a position. Oh, this is. Let me see. And what that does is it doesn't show you how much you're up on that or down. So let's say you're just like, let's say you're in a trade, and you literally like, you obviously you put your take profit stop loss. Let's say you buy right here, so your stop is right here. I don't know, take profit right here. You know that okay, I'm fine with losing whatever your amount is right here. What you do is you literally turn it off, and now you can't see how much you're up and down. And also, this won't show you on like TradeAway if you're trading a funded. Что? Ну что, дай прям 5 минут. And this won't show you how much you're up or down, or like these won't be there on the TradeAway. I'm pretty sure, because for me there aren't. And then you can't see how much you're down. So you're not looking at how much you're down. If you're in drawdown, you're looking at okay, there's like a 5 minute gap or like a 3 minute gap right here that's getting respected, and that's all you're seeing. So instead of seeing that you're down a certain amount, you're seeing that okay, it's just a retracement to an order block. Or let's say you're up, let's say you're without this, let's say you're up 500, and then you see a retracement, but all you're seeing is now you're up 100. But in reality, it's literally just a retracement to a fair value gap to go higher. But then you sell right here because you don't want to lose the amount. But what you didn't see is that it was just a retracement to go higher. And that honestly really helps me. And with this one, that's exactly what I did. I turned it off, and I all I did was I put my stop right here after this whole move because there was this fair value gap and the order block, and it also might just retest the same high that it broke because it like I noticed it likes to do that. And that's what I did. I stuck through all of this, and then after it started moving, it took my profit, and I was hyped. I was like, I don't know, like, you can say you're unemotional, but whenever you have like a shitty day, it's mostly when you don't stick to your rules. That's when I have a shitty day. I honestly should have on my Notion's habit tracker, because I have like a morning routine, and then I have like certain check boxes to check off. And it's like morning routine, do this, do that. Then journal after check or read the rules, check news and stuff like that. I honestly should add literally just stick to my rules. And then whenever I'm trying to break a rule, whenever I'm trying to like place a random trade just because my friend made money today, oh, I wanted to, I'll be thinking about, okay, do I want to check that box of sticking to my rules today or not? Or do I want to uncheck it and lose random shit even if I win? Do I want to break my rules and lose trust within myself? That's what I'm going to start doing. I'm actually just going to add it right after this video. And that's exactly what I did. I stuck to my rules. I turned off profit so you couldn't see, like, when you have the box with how much you're up or down. So I turned it off, and then throughout all of this, I didn't see my money fluctuate, my profit or loss fluctuate. All I saw was price building bullish structure and just simply pulling back to this 5 minute gap and a 1 minute order block, and also might retest this low. And I know that this was all low resistant liquidity, and I was pretty confident. We had this high, we had this fair value gap that actually fully ended up getting filled with that move, I believe. No, actually with this move, but I took profit over here. It doesn't matter, it was like a $20-$30 difference. And yeah, bro, that's what really helped me, is turning off the profit, and you won't see what's actually happening. And also I'm gonna add what's it called, a checkbox that literally says stick to my rules, because I don't have a problem with losing much money, because whenever I don't stick to my rules and I like over trade or do some random stuff, I think I literally took something right here to the 15 minute. Where was it? I took some, because this is the 15 minute right here, and then I took like a short towards it, but then it was like some random stuff. I believe it might have been, yeah, right here. I remember I took this, but then I got stopped at breaking. I took a short here. I got stopped at break even after this move. I moved it to break even, I believe. And then something else, I don't know. And I lost 80 bucks on there, made 200, so I was up like 100 something. And yeah, bro, those are the two tips that really helped me. And yeah, bro, good video, good recap. Another day, another trade. I'm actually gonna make it happen. It's, you know what I realized, bro? It's, I'm at the stage where I I have the skill, I have the mentality, I have the mindset, I have the analysis to make it. It's about what I don't do at this point. It's about what I don't take. It's about that I don't take random stuff in this. Literally, bro, I, it's crazy. I was about to take this short right here after this 5 minute inverse. Was literally about to take a short right here towards liquidity. And then after that happened, I was about to take this inversion. And we also had like the most perfect pullback after a break of structure right there. If you can see it. Right there, was literally about to take that. I hesitated because ES didn't take it. I don't know, SMTs, I kind of haven't seen them work besides today. And then it was also just a bunch of these fair value gaps. And then I should literally just like disregard those as soon as this happens. We break structure, pull back to a bullish fair value gap. The bearish ones shouldn't matter no more, especially if we took liquidity. I'm actually gonna journal a lot about that, bro. I'm at that stage where it's about what I don't do, and profitability, payouts, everything is coming, bro. I'm trusting Lord. I'm trusting the Lord. I'm putting in the work every single day. Sometimes I be slacking sometimes. Today, yesterday, I didn't journal. I didn't journal because I had like weird dumb losses, and that's when I need a journal. That's really when I need a journal, when I have small like weird losses, not when I exactly stuck to my exact rules and then lost. It's when I have like dumb losses, but then I just don't learn from them. I really need to learn. That's where the progress happens. All right, bro, I'll catch you in the next video. Trust Lord, trust the work that you're putting in, and everything will work out for you, bro. I'm in high school, about to graduate soon, but I'm really gonna make this stuff happen, bro. Let's go.